So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Instagram automatically closes in less than 1 minute. So all what you have to do, guys, is very simple and easy. Open the settings, scroll until you find the apps manager on your phone, go to the apps, and then right here scroll all the way until you find the Instagram app. And when you find it, now this is what you should do. This is the app information page, as you can see. Now click here on the power usage details and click down here on this force stop and then go to the app launch option. Make sure that this manage automatically option is enabled like this, and then go back, click OK. Make sure also that the power consumption alert is enabled. This is very important. Go back, click here on force stop, go to the storage, click on clear data, and now reopen Instagram. And congratulations, don't forget to like, subscribe.